Come get the bicep. Come get the bicep. Nah! 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 Feeling good after that one. Still. Yeah, man, I'm feeling good. What are you saying though? What are you saying?
I think you need a protein shake. Get some protein in there.
Yeah, what? Protein in the muscles, yeah? Okay. Yeah. You know, recovering the muscles and that. Let's go and make a protein shake then. Alright. So, welcome to Chrisko's kitchen. And as you may already know, we're getting, you know, we want that protein shake, yeah? We want that protein shake. Alright, so how we're starting it off today. You've got your, you know, we're doing it with the NutriBullet thing, yeah? NutriBullet thing. Sponsor me. I was gonna swear, I don't swear no more. So this is what, oh, my leg. This is what we want. We want like 100 milliliters of soya milk, because we don't drink no milk round air. We don't. No cow's milk round there. Soya milk thing. You don't want too much milk, you know? So yeah, we got our soya milk. What would you say we go with next?
The egg.
I think I'm gonna save the best for last for this one still. I think I'm gonna yeah. So we got your whey protein, you know, your protein shake, yeah? Typical whey protein. What you want is like, you just want like 1 or 2 scoops, you know? Oh, yeah. Baby, we're making a protein shake. Get out of there, go in the front room, get out of there. So you want 1 or 2 scoops, you know? Just go, there's the second scoop. So that's in there, yeah? Boom. Don't know why, but I think I want a bit of cheese in it today. So just get rid of that yeah. Kind of struggling with it. So we got our little baby bell. Gonna have a little bite. That's it in there. I'm gonna put 1 or 2 ice cubes in there, you know, because it's ice baby. So with the cock soup, we're just gonna slap a tad bit, you know, because what it really does is it gives it a bit of flavour for your tongue, you know what I mean? And you always want a bit of flavour. Just give it just a little bit. Because you know, I know for a fact that if you're from the islands of the Caribbean, you know about cock soup, because you put it in your soup and in your chicken. Anyway, back to the English speaking. Cock soup, finished with it. You want your oats. You don't want all of it, because it's going to be a thick one. Just want a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright then. So, the reasoning for the fairy liquid going into it is that fairy liquid, it's in the name. It's in the name. Fairy. You know what I mean? You want to be able to fly all of that. People think this is for washing plates, etc., etc. No. This is fairy's liquid. Yeah? And I'm a fairy. Bitch, I'm fly. Right? So we don't want too much in there. We just want to just a tad, you know? I don't want to be too fly like a fairy. So I'm just going to put that back here. We've got a bit of lemon here. Just going to squeeze the juices in it. Squeeze the juices. Oh. Yeah, wonderful. Should I do it for the vine?
Do it for the vine.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vine.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vine.
I'm gonna do it.
Do it for the vine.
Nah, I'm too scared. So yeah, beautiful. You know what, fuck it, might as well just chuck the whole thing in there. Okay, so that's all in. You got a jammy dodger, you know, for that bit of taste. Break it in half, boom, and it's in. Might as well just... What's it? Tea bag, yeah? Green tea. The good thing about green tea is that it revitalizes your senses. Guess what? Tea bag, green bag, whatever. And it's in there. Oh. It's in there. Now for the toothpaste. The reason for the toothpaste, you know, is that sometimes when you're on the go, you know, can't be bothered to brush your teeth in the morning, you just want 100% gains. So you just drink your protein shake. Oh. So you got your protein shake. Oh, and see that we have a mystery guest in today. Oh, amazing, amazing. Fabian, would you like to help me? Come and help me, Fabian. Would you like some drink?
No, I don't want to drink.
Drink? Protein shake?
I'm just going.
Get out of here then if you don't want my protein shake. Alright then. Get out of here. Alright. So now, the mackerel. The reason for this is how much... Wow. Wow. Wow.
A solid 24 grams of protein.
And the nutrients in the oil, amazing. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bits of the oil in. Excellent. Excellent. Disgusting. Ooh. Bit of toothpaste in there. Might as well just give the teeth a quick brush. Oh. 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 As you see, we have... Oh, it's all falling on my hands. The mackerel. Oh, yeah. Oh. Now, you don't want to put too much in, you know. Maybe one chunk of little fish bits in there, you know. Alright, so that's good. We got our mackerel, yeah. You just want a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. 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 Okay, that's really good. That's really good. And you can't forget. You want your little bit of honey. Oh, and it seems our surprise guest is back. Oh, Fabian. How you doing, mate? Come on, do you want some?
No, I'm not going.
Where you going? Don't you want any? Oh, and it seems he's gone. So the thing about honey is that it's a natural sugar, yeah? So we're just going to pour it in. Oh, 180! And it's in. Okay. And what else that we've got? Finishing it off with your egg. Now the thing about egg is that it's an egg. A quick fact about an egg is that some people think, "Raw, what came first, the chicken or the egg?" Now let me give you the maths. How could the chicken come before the egg if the egg was not the chicken? Eh? Eh? So the best way to crack an egg, 180. 180. So yeah, we've got all of our ingredients in now, and it's gonna got a bit of residue on the fingers and on the fingernails. It's gonna, you know. What else? Oh, your carbs. You can't go wrong with a bit of carbs, you know. Just a little bit of pasta. Just maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. And the thing about pasta is that
Don't eat it.
it's really good.
Don't eat it.
It is really good, you know.
Don't eat it, Chrisko.
Yeah.
Don't eat it, Chrisko. It's dirty.
Yeah. So yeah, we got a bit of pasta in there.
Got some. It's dirty.
Put the lid back on that. Ha. Oh. And can't go wrong with a bit of coffee as well, you know. Ha.
That's dinky.
Just a bit of coffee.
That's dinky.
Shh. No talking in Chrisko's cooking club. There we go. So look. Put the lid on. Make sure it's nice and tight, like your mum's. Give it a little shake first. Give it a little shake. Look at that, beautiful. And then, whilst that's spinning, I'm gonna do a couple of push-ups. Let's do some push-ups, Fabian. Okay, so we've turned off the switch and we're plugging it out because we don't want to get electrocuted. So anyway, let's have a little look. Just get our first. Okay, seems there's a bit of troubles here. Oh shit. So, as you can see, oh shizzle, I wasn't meant to drop that. You know them ones there. Look, this. You know them ones there. What? Anthony, what did I drop? I didn't drop nothing, fam. Anyway, now we've got our protein shake. The aromas that it's given me is aromatic. It's not normal. It's insane. It's crazy. This isn't your everyday protein shake. This could actually be the perfect protein shake. It's insane. Because we're definitely looking at like 34 calories. And you know what? This is such an amazing protein shake that I don't think I'm going to drink it. You know what? Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Because you already know I am going to drink that bitch. Anyway. Sports directing. Don't need that. That was pure skill. Do you see where that went? Ugh. Oh, my finger touched it. That's disgusting. Anyway. You think you're better than me? You think you're better than me? Huh? You think you're better? Ooh. Damn, you're a monster. You're a monster. You're a monster. Let's go. Oh, I'm scared. You know what? If I want the gains, I'll do it. Oh my god. What are you saying? What? Anthony, little brother, no long thing. You just try. What? You gonna drink that? Drink a little bit more. You're not. Drink that. He's a beast. He's a beast. He's a beast, Anthony. He's a beast. You know what? I can't let little bro do me out. Oh. You know what? It's not adaptive. It's not adapt. Cut it off. Oh. I'm going for a round 2. Round 2 ting. No long ting. I'm shook. Anyway, I bear with me. Yeah. Going for the old school trick in the book. The hold the nose. What was that though? Anyway. Oh, don't look at it. Okay, it's all a state of mind. Round 2, backing it off. You just gotta think, what is it that I'm drinking? I'm just drinking a normal something, a normal bit of wine. Oh my god, it's green. Oh. Knock it off. Alright, I'm going for the round 3. I'm only doing this because I'm pretty sure you've pressed that like button and the subscribe. Anyway. Anyway, you know what? 1, 2, 3. Bruh. Oh, What? 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 Fuck it, man. Whoa. Fuck it, yeah, we're done. Obviously, that was Chrisko's Cooking Club, and we made the perfect protein shake. It's so perfect that my impure body is not ready for it. That's how perfect it is. My body just rejects such perfection. So what we're gonna do with this is we're going to just we're just gonna dispose of it, you know, and we're just not ever gonna make another perfect protein shake ever again. So yeah, hope you liked the video, because I know you did. And if you want any tips, you know, ask any questions on how to make a good protein shake, just comment down below. Make sure you leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Yo, and we're out, bitch. This thing is rubbish, fam. Chatting about protein shake. This is disgusting, fam.
I thought you said this was the perfect protein shake.
Whoa, I didn't see that. Still no, it's perfect. I was joking.